Welcome to the Forbes Markets Desk. I'm Steve Schaefer. The big news Tuesday was Moody's cutting its sovereign debt ratings on 6 European countries, including Italy, Spain, and Portugal. Now, this wasn't really big news, given that we know that Italy, Spain, and Portugal are not the most creditworthy of countries right now. Perhaps more importantly, Moody's also said it could possibly cut the ratings on the UK and France and Austria, which each have AAA ratings. Moody's changed their outlook to negative on those countries, which means that it could downgrade them in the coming months. On this side of the Atlantic, we learned this morning that retail sales in January were up slightly less than expected at 0.4%, and that December's retail sales gain, which had come in at just 0.1% from a year earlier, was revised to basically flat. This means that GDP for the fourth quarter could be adjusted downward. It also means first quarter GDP could be less robust than some expect. Macroeconomic advisors this morning put their estimates at 2.7% for the fourth quarter, 2% for the first quarter. Tomorrow, Wednesday, we get earnings results from Abercrombie & Fitch, which already warned a couple of weeks ago that its fourth quarter results will be weaker than anticipated. In the financial sector, a Citigroup analyst this morning downgraded Bank of America to neutral, warning that while capital concerns appear to have eased, the earnings potential of the bank and its peers may not be as robust as some anticipate, largely because net interest income could be impacted by lower Federal Reserve interest rates and the lack of economic growth in the U.S. economy. Boeing on Tuesday morning announced an order for more than 300 737 aircraft from Indonesia's largest private airline. The list price of the aircraft for more than $22 billion shows the demand coming from emerging markets versus the U.S. and Europe, where previous aircraft demand had come from. This could be a very good sign for Boeing, its rival Airbus, and the number of parts suppliers and component suppliers that make up the aerospace industry.